Have you ever taken a picture of a document and then realized the person you're sending it to actually wanted a PDF instead? Maybe it's a contract, it could be a recipe, a set of photos that you want to send as one clean file. So in this video, I want to solve that problem for you and answer a question a lot of people search for. How do I convert a JPEG image into a PDF file step by step? First, I'll show you how to upload and convert images to and from PDF in a few steps using Acrobat Studio on the web. Is one of the easiest ways to convert JPEG to PDF online, and it's a converter that works almost instantly. So this is Acrobat Studio. It has the Acrobat PDF tools you already know, plus AI-powered workspaces, personalized AI assistant, and standout content creation all in one place. You could convert different file formats to and from PDF easily. This includes Word docs, PowerPoints, Excel, web links, any type of images, and this is all gonna save you time while keeping your document quality sharp. So today we'll focus on JPEG to PDF, and I will also show you how to go from PDF to JPEG too. And I'll share a few different examples along the way. First, let's turn a single picture into a PDF. So open your browser and go to Adobe Acrobat Studio on the web at acrobat.adobe.com, and then sign in to your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one already. Now over here, you'll see this convert option once you do sign in, and they have a lot of different options for converting different file types. The one we're looking for is the option to convert JPEG to PDF. This will also work with PNG and other image types to PDF too. I'm gonna select this one. And then on this page, you could select a file from your computer, or you could drag and drop the JPEG here into this box. I'll choose this image here, press open. And Acrobat Studio converts this in seconds. So you're using a JPEG to PDF converter that works almost instantly. Now, at this point, you could rename the file right on top, and then you could also share it. And if you want to download it, you could simply download this file right here, and it will download as a PDF here. And I'm going to press download just like that. This is one of the easiest ways for sending a high resolution JPEG as a PDF directly in Acrobat here, just simply by clicking the share option. And this can help you avoid any challenges that come with trying to send a bigger file over email, for example. This tool is made to convert photos to PDF without losing quality, so text always stays sharp, colors stay accurate, and your document looks professional. Now for this next example, what if you have a whole folder of photos that you want to send as just one file? This is a really common way I send photos. In Acrobat Studio, this is all you have to do. Under the Create option, you'll see this one right here. It says Combine Files, merge multiple files into a single PDF. Now here you could add JPEGs, you could add PNGs, screenshots, any scans that you have, and anything else that is an image of any type. You could drag and drop them here, or press select file and choose them on your computer. Now, once they're uploaded, you could select any of them here to change the order. So I'm gonna actually change the order here. And you could also choose to delete any of them that you didn't mean to upload. You could just press the garbage can and it will go ahead and remove it. And you could always add new ones, just press insert page and then select the plus option here, and then add new ones, or add new ones to the end here. Really easy to reorder them too. And then once you get the order right here, all you have to do is press combine right on top, and this is gonna combine that file. Now, you just use the tool to merge PDF files into one single PDF. So this is a 5-page PDF now, and these are the 5 pages here that I had, pictures with screenshots. Now, you can combine several pictures into one PDF file for client presentations, a project overview, or a quick portfolio. Now, because we are inside of Acrobat Studio here, from here, you could edit the PDF, you could add text, you could highlight different parts of it, and right on top, you could go ahead and share it here with your client, with your team, and you could always download it as well. Now, this is one of my favorite parts. You could click on Ask AI Assistant. This opens up this AI Assistant box, so you could ask it to summarize the document for you, for example. And here's a nice numbered summary here. You could also ask it to create quick overviews that you could copy and paste into an email or presentation or a pitch deck. Now for this next example, sometimes you need to do the reverse. So maybe someone sends you a PDF, but you actually want images and separated as JPEG files. And you could again do this in Acrobat Studio. So I'm gonna go to convert again, but this time I'm gonna do PDF to JPEG instead of JPEG to PDF. So I'm gonna choose this option right here. I'm gonna choose this document that is a multi-page PDF here. And I wanna convert it to JPEG, which is selected by default. You could also convert to PNG or a TIFF file. It's set to medium quality, which in this case is good, but if you want it higher, you could change it to high or max quality as well. Convert to JPEG is all I need to click on. And it's created a zip file for me that has all these different pages as separate different images. So these are now multiple different images that I got from that one PDF just in one click. This is one of the fastest ways to change a picture into a PDF file. And then you could always go back from a PDF back to a JPEG again whenever you need it. Now, this is also available on desktop and it's also available on mobile too. So if you are on Windows or on a Mac, you could always open up Adobe Acrobat Studio that I showed you on the browser, upload your images, save it, picture as a PDF. And you could always use the Adobe Acrobat Studio app here that you could install on your Windows and Mac, and it works the exact same way. So you have access to all these tools here to convert. So just press export to PDF. And here you could convert anything to a PDF, works the exact same way as the desktop, and the reverse too. You could turn anything that is a PDF into a JPEG, for example, too. Now on your phone, the steps to convert an image to a PDF are very simple too. So all you have to do is get the Acrobat mobile app, tap the plus icon to scan a document, or choose a photo from your camera roll. Any cropping or adjusting that needs to be done, you could do that here, and then just save it as a PDF. This just allowed you to convert a paper or a picture to a PDF directly on your phone, which is perfect for receipts, any type of forms, and anything that you captured on the go. Now let's look at a real world example for marketers and creators. Let's say you're running a marketing campaign for your own business or for a client, and you have a bunch of different JPEGs or screenshots from a campaign. This happens to me all the time. Let's say you have screenshots of how an ad creative performed, social media posts, landing page screenshots, thumbnails, mockups. There could be a ton of different things. I'm actually in the process of doing this right now myself. I probably do this every single week. So I do all the marketing for my company. This comes in really handy for me. In Acrobat Studio, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna collect all the different JPEGs that I have so I could send it as one polished PDF. And I'm gonna go to combine files. So I'm gonna merge multiple different files. They're gonna be JPEGs, but they're gonna get combined into a single PDF here. And I'm gonna go ahead and select them from here. And I've already organized them on my computer here. So I have JPEG thumbnails, I have screenshots, I have things from my YouTube campaign. I'm gonna press open here. And in a few seconds, this is gonna convert all those JPEGs into a single PDF here. Now from here, I could change the order. I actually want the website to be the last thing. I want this thumbnail to be number 1. Maybe this one's number 2. And actually I don't need this one. This is from a different campaign, so I'll delete that. So now I have everything in one file and all I have to do is press combine on top. And just like that, I got a single page PDF here with all the information that I need to share. Now, anytime you want, you could go to the edit option here, organize your pages. You could add images at any time. Anytime your offer gets updated, you have new things in your funnel, a new case study that you want to add. It makes it really easy here. You could just insert a new page here and put that anywhere within this PDF. And this comes in handy for me all the time when a new brand wants to see my updated work or wants to see new analytics here. I just go and take a screenshot and I update something I've shared with them already. And then I could share the new PDF directly from Adobe Acrobat. All I have to do is go back here, press share on top, put their email in, and they'll get my updated information here. So I don't have to worry about sending 10 separate images and whether the files are too large for email. This used to be a big problem here before Acrobat made it really easy to organize everything in one place. You could also create a strong cover page with a template from Adobe Express and then combine that cover with your JPEG pages in one file too. And you'll see that right here. It says design with Adobe Express. I'm gonna press use design tools. Now everything is exported here. So all I have to do is add a new page and it's gonna be the same size page. And I'm gonna put this here as the very first page. And then I could go ahead and edit this page or choose from any of the templates they have. So for example, they have a list of templates. I know they have one for a media kit that I typically like to use. And here is the template here that I chose. And everything is fully editable. So I would just go ahead and put my name over here. I'll go ahead and remove this second person here and just make some quick adjustments with my own information. And then I'll go ahead and replace this with my own photo, which I've already uploaded. And just like that, I got a new cover letter here to work with the rest of my media kit that I could send directly to a client. Now, if your PDF actually includes any type of agreement, let's say a service contract, in my case, like a sponsorship agreement, AI Assistant can actually help you and it will recognize that it is a contract. I actually uploaded one here, this 2 pages. So I edited my existing PDF to add my contract here. And all I have to do is, let me save these changes. Now I'm gonna click Ask AI Assistant. This is gonna let me do multiple different things. The AI Assistant can recognize that this is a contract. So this is gonna help me get an overview, help me explain the key topics here, the key terms, and it basically helps me understand what is in this contract here. You could also analyze it here. So this will give you other suggestions. You could ask any questions on your own. In this case, I'm gonna ask it here for key deliverables, and it will give me exactly what is included. And it will give me these little annotations here to highlight the section of the contract where it pulled this information from. I'm also gonna ask it to generate a summary of the contract. Now this creates this nice clean summary here, and at any time I could check the details very, very quickly. Now for this last example, I wanna show you something that's personal that all of us have to deal with, which is doing taxes during tax season. So this could get messy really, really fast. We might get W-2 forms, 1099s, donation receipts, mix of images, scans, digital files, things from all kinds of different companies that get mailed to you that you have to scan in or take pictures of. With Acrobat Studio, you could bring everything into one tidy PDF here. So you could scan any paper receipts with the mobile app, for example, or just take a picture of it and convert it. You could add JPEG screenshots and download forms. You could reorder things, delete pages that you no longer need, and organize everything the right way in the right order. Then you could ask the AI assistant to create things for you, like a generative summary, or even build a table of key amounts and categories to make it really easy to understand at one glance. That makes it so much easier to check numbers before you send the files to your tax prepper. And for security, you could also add a password to your PDF for extra protection before you share it with anyone. So as you can see, Acrobat Studio gives you one of the easiest ways to convert JPEG to PDF or merge JPEG files into one PDF, and it works on Windows, it works on Mac, it works on your mobile and online almost instantly. So whether you're a business professional or a student or just organizing your personal files, this is a simple workflow that can save you a ton of time. If you want to try this for yourself, check the link to Acrobat Studio below in the description of this video and start converting your own files today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.